Good morning. We're at Stevens Performance. We're going to be moving all these cars. A lot of their trucks and trailers are gone, and they're fixing to go to Carlisle. Most of y'all know what Carlisle is if you're into these cars, and I think they're leaving out maybe Sunday. Well, like I say, we got to move all these cars eventually in the back, but we got to have this big old forklift to do some straightening up in the back, and we're supposed to have some work done to it. We're going to see for the crank, try to get everything so we can come back maybe after the 4th and do something. All right, let me go over here and see.
This is a case 585.
Ted said an all-terrain forklift. All right. We're going to see if she'll crank. And yeah. Got a leak right there. Right. Check everything else. I don't really know what that goes to. It's straight there before this round. Right there on the start. Let me cut it off.
Spraying there for a while because it's already knocked all the...
Yep, that's all over the starter.
Well, good thing we checked it out before we got started.
Yeah, we won't have to get up early for nothing and find out it don't work. Yeah, but I got to get me some tires to put on the front, so they said if the car was to slide, but we're going to try to keep that from happening. Well, let's walk over here and look at these cars. That's a Polara. I ain't gonna open it, I'll not get it back. You can look in the back glass. Oh, gonna fall on a car. Yeah, these are gonna be fun to tote.
Yeah, these are going to be some big old heavy things to tote with that.
I think that's a Coronet. I think that's a Coronet.
Another 4-door monster.
That car don't look too bad a shape till you see the top of it.
Something's come down on the top of it.
And I think a lot of these cars have got like a skin that you can replace that, but you gotta wonder they ain't all rusted up with this whole vinyl top on it. Yeah, and that's another one I got to get off. There's 2 more out there on the white hauler.
This one was just brought in the other day.
Yeah, he just bought this one somewhere. And we got to get the 2 off that car hauler and out from behind it. They're going to go back to the back. Well, these sweat bees are swarming. Yeah, there's 2 more. I'd find someplace to. Motor gone. I think a lot of them motors are gone. A few of them in there. And that's a swinger. And if anybody's headed to Carlisle or anywhere close, and I assume that's Carlisle, Pennsylvania, huge swap meet, they're usually the biggest vendor there. And they carry a lot of AMD parts, some reproduction, licensed parts. Just make sure when you go to Carlisle and you see anybody at Stevens Performance, tell them Matt and Nicole's gonna try to have these cars moved if we can ever get things to jig just right. That one was a race car. I think they had it cut up, got the roll bars inside of it. I didn't realize it had the roll bars till the other day. Yeah, and it's just got one.
This one has set out in a field for some
Yeah.
time too.
Yeah. You know way to get that door open. Well, we're gonna find something else to do today. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned, because all these cars are gonna be in the back, and we're gonna have to move 10 to 15 cars in the back before we can move these. Y'all see these big red trucks at the Carlisle, y'all say something to them. Say y'all enjoy the YouTube videos. Make sure y'all share and subscribe, and have a good day.